Hey folks, how's it going? This is Mr. Murray coming to you with a little video explaining how to use the expanding to standard form practice site. Also available at expand.willnot.fail. So in this website, the idea is that we're going to be given a quadratic. The quadratic, as you can see here, is going to be in intercept or factored form, and the goal is to use some method to convert it into standard form, and then once you've got it converted, to write your coefficients, your A, your B, and your C in these boxes below. Now the advantage of this is that it will give you your answer, or it will rather tell you if your answer is correct immediately, and it will also give you feedback. So it will tell you if you're right after a certain number of guesses. It will say, you know what, let's try another one, here's the answers. And then of course by hitting try another, you can see that there is not only you get experience with different letters, but also you get a lot of different combinations of variables, as you can see here. Okay, so as the site kind of suggests, there are difficulty levels: easy, medium, hard. At this point in time, as of when I'm making the video, the medium and hard problems are in the works. We're still kind of developing. We're starting with easy right now. So just be aware, in the future you may see different difficulty levels, and under this area here, options to change problems or change difficulty. Okay, but for now, let's take a look at how the easy works. So you're going to notice that you've got points earned. You earn points by playing through this, and the way that you earn points is by getting the problems right. As you get the problems right, you do earn the points. Now, this does require you to have enabled cookies, because I do use cookies to track the number of points you earn from page to page, so do please make sure you have your cookies enabled. Okay, now basically each problem, the harder the problem is, the more points that you can possibly earn. For example, an easy problem will earn you less points if you get it correct on the first try than a medium problem or a hard problem, right? The hard problem will obviously earn you the most points. But as I suggested, as you guess, if you do get a question wrong, you are going to not be able to earn as many points. Okay, so let's take a look at an example. Here I have j plus 8 times j minus 1. So I'll work through this on paper, I'll do it out, and eventually I'll realize that it is j squared, 1j squared, plus 7j minus 8. And once I have all these answers, if I click off the box, this is going to come up to confirm my answer. So j squared plus 7j minus 8. I hit check my answer. We can see it's correct, and I've earned 4 points because I got it correct on the first try. Let's say I try this one. So I factor this one out. Okay, so I got 1c squared. I think it's minus 5c minus 14. So I'll check my answer. Not quite. Okay, so it says I've got it wrong. So maybe what I need to do is go back and look. Oh, it's not supposed to be minus 5. It's supposed to be positive 5. So you're going to see when I check my answer, here I went from 4 points to 6 points. If you didn't see that, you might want to rewind the video. The reason I only got 2 points was because I got it wrong the first time that I tried. Now, how I scale the points might change over time, but the idea is to get the maximum points, you have to get the question correct on the first try. The point of this is to disable, or not disable, to discourage you from taking random guesses. Now let's say if you were to get this wrong a number of times in a row. So I'm just going to check my answer. It's obviously not x squared plus 2x plus 1. That's nothing close to what this is. I'll check it again. Just obviously if it wasn't right the first time, it's not going to be right the second time. I'll check it again. Obviously it's not going to work either. Now if you do guess it wrong 3 times, what should happen is it will say you're out of guesses. Here is the answer. And it will show you this is the answer. Okay, so it was x squared. I should have typed x squared minus 2, and you're not going to get any points. Your only option is to try another and move on. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and I really hope you make the most of this tool. Be on the lookout for updates such as medium and hard problems and other updates to the site, and I'll keep you updated the best I can. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time.